Novinha, deixa eu falar. Hoje a tropa te pega safada. Ela quer leitada, ela quer leitada, leitada, ela quer leitada, leitada.
What is this? Is this a drop?
Yeah.
Inspector, look at what I found.
What you found?
This.
Wait, what's that?
I don't know, I think it's drop. Can you really think about it?
I think it's a drop because you found it on the crime scene, right?
Yes, that's right.
Gosh, we should send it to the lab.
After that, what should we do?
I think we will do the chromatography analysis.
Chromatography? What is that?
Chromatography is a laboratory technique used to separate mixture into the individual components. It works by dissolving the mixture of mobile phase passing through the stationary phase.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Mitchum,
I'm Holly Tobias.
and we work at the York County Sheriff's Office Drug Analysis Laboratory. Our duties here in the laboratory are that we receive in evidence and we will test that evidence to see if it contains a controlled substance. The first thing we do is what's called a presumptive test, which is a color test. Give us an idea of what compound we're looking at. In this case, with this substance, it could possibly be cocaine or a various other substance. That's why we call this a presumptive test. The sample for our instrument test, we'll put that into a test tube, and then we will extract that in a solvent to dissolve and then place that into a vial. So then once she's extracted it, it goes into one of the vials on the instrument, and this instrument is called a gas chromatograph mass spectrometer, GC mass spec for short, and we get out results from it so we can look at the end results. And this is an example of the results we would get out, and then we would go in and look at each individual peak and determine that if it's something that is controlled or not controlled.
And through this process, we will create a report and send that to the investigating officer. From there, the investigating officer will continue the case, and if it needs to go to trial, we will go and testify on our results.
In forensic laboratories, chromatography is used to separate, identify, and also analyze substance found in drug sample. Since illegal drugs are often mixes with the other chemicals, chromatography helps forensic scientists to determine the exact composition of a sample. This technique can identify the type of the drug sample, the drug present, detect impurities, and also provide reliable evidence for the criminal investigation and court proceeding.
The separation process can help to remove the unwanted substance in our sample. So, by that, the test result will be more accurately and reliable. In this case, forensic scientists can detect the drug and produce a stronger evidence to someone needed. Chromatography is used in forensic science to detect the drug in our body sample, such as urine, our saliva, blood, and hair. It separates the drug from other substances that we don't need it. So, by that, the scientists can easily detect the drug, and scientists also can know the amounts of the drug that present in our bodies. So, this method is very important because it's very accurate. Even we need to find this substance in a small amount of sample. So, it also can help to measure the concentration of drug in a sample, and the result also can use as evidence in a court or maybe in police investigation.
Hi, and now I will talk about methodology. Firstly, we need to record the substance from 10 mg to 15 mg. After that, we need to choose the organic solvent. After we choose the organic solvent, we need to spin it at 3000 RPM within 5 minutes using a vortex to maximize the dissolution. Once done, pass the liquid through a 0.45 micrometer PTFE shrink filter into a clean auto sampler vial to remove insoluble cutting region. A step is to set up the GCMC system, including capillary column, carrier gas, injection volume, open temperature and MS detector. Before injecting the pure solvent, make sure inject a pure solvent blank first to ensure no carryover or contamination exists. Next, place the filter sample vial into the automated auto sampler tray slot. After all that done, enter the sample ID, vial position, injection volume and select drug screening method in the software console. Once everything is set, press the start sequence to initiate automated injection, oven heating and mass spectral data collection. Match the total ion chromatogram (TIC) peak retention times of the sample against the reference standard. Run an automated search against forensic reference libraries. At this stage, confirm a positive match only if the retention time match within 2% and the mass spectral match factor exceed 90%. Lastly, record the instrument logs, raw chromatographs and library match sheets. Document the chain of custody, sample weight, analytical method used, and definitive qualitative findings for court presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Chromatography is widely used in forensic sector. Who knows? Police can found this unknown substance that maybe contain cocaine in it during a drug raid. So, there is where GCMS play a crucial role to determine if there actually has a drug in it or not, so that police can continue their investigation. Chromatography is a powerful analytical technique used to separate, identify, and quantify different substances within a mixture. Due to its high accuracy and sensitivity, chromatography has become an essential tool in forensic science. This technique, such as GCMS and HPLC, are some examples that widely used to analyze evidence like illegal drugs, toxins, and biological samples, that allowing scientists to identify unknown substances and finally can provide reliable evidence for criminal cases.